I thought it would be fun to give you a little taste of just a normal weekend. Did not film our Saturday chores because I was grumpy. But other than that, take a look.
Right on 400 West.
We're going to look at a car because Tanner's might blow up. Let's go.
Sure will. Ask me if he has the Carfax.
Brethren, what do you think?
How old is a caterpillar?
How old?
0!
Get it. So we've had this kitchen table the whole time we've been married, and I've just not wanted it to be there. First of all, it's on carpet, it's an issue, but I wanted it to have like a table that I really like. And then one popped up on an Instagram ad and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. But I was like, we're not gonna make it there. So I just kind of let it go out of my mind. But then I opened up Instagram again and they were like, we have multiple. And I was like, Tanner, go. And he did. This is the face of a man who did something nice even though he didn't want to.
I'm gonna get this out.
He's a good man. Get that pregnant belly helping. This is a good man, y'all. New kitchen table. Bless his soul. Come to find out the table is not finished, and so I have to put on like a protective coat, but I'll show you as I'm doing that this week. And then I'll put it in our living room. So after we got the table, our friends texted us and they were like, do you guys want to go to the lake? And Tanner was like, I'll do anything. So this is our first time on a boat this summer, which, where have we been? We don't know, but
Yes, how was it?
It was fun.
How was it, Dee? Eli? This beautiful sunset.
So we had so much fun at the lake, and then Sunday morning came, and Sundays are a little bit difficult. I mean, if you have kids, you probably know that Sundays are a little bit hard, so we were a little bit determined to make this one not so rough. This was our attempt. I just want to put it on record that 10 o'clock church is the best time to have church. Is there anything you want to say about that? Do you think you can do it? Here. Does that help? Thank you. Sunday morning. We're going.
Wait for me, please.
You know we're not gonna survive without snacks and water. And the cutest boys. Here we go, Belay.
What are we doing, Eli?
No.
No, he says.
No, just like that.
Can you wave at me?
Go. Wait, what? Okay, so let's This one's the awesomest. Whoa!
That
Do you see one, Eli?
Eli, look at the colors. Blue and green and orange. Wow.
I made noise on
Yeah. That is good, huh? Oh, wow. Wow. Look at all those hot air balloons. Smile at least. Hello. Pretty cool, guys. Eli. Hey, look at that thing over there that says wild. You guys are pretty wild.
What are you doing?
Feeling kind of weird, but I'm not sure why. Oh my gosh.
I see it.
I have a very serious question. After someone eats like chicken fingers or a piece of chicken, why would they ever go back to messing with the whole wing?
Are you kidding me? The wings? Bone-in wings?
Yeah, why would you ever have to deal with that again if you know that like something like this exists? Why would you ever?
Chicken nuggets are for children. Wings are for real adults.
I mean, what do they taste better?
Yes.
Is the satisfaction of working
Yes.
hard?
Yes. Tell it to your friends too.